Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name.
What up, y'all? Alright, my name is CJ, man. This is Hustle to Create, and I'm changing the format of this, man. I'm gonna keep it real. Y'all really want to know how to be successful. You really want to know how to make money online. You really want to know the true grind behind running a YouTube. Let me crack these blinds a little bit. Whoo-hoo, look at that lighting. You know, lighting is your best friend, number one, whenever you're shooting on any camera. But, so I just got home from my day job. Yes, I'm not a full-time creator yet. I'm definitely working on becoming full-time. I could jump and take the leap now, and that's something I got to talk about too, is like, when do you take the leap, and having faith and being willing to put yourself in a situation where you can't do anything but succeed. That's something that I've learned listening to the greats and seeing the greats. Man, it's just... Anyways, nevertheless, I'm home from my day job. My day job can get physical. It's not supposed to be physical, but my team is trash, so I end up having to get physical to compensate for lackluster. This is just, I'm venting right now, you know what I mean? And that's the thing, man. There's so many people out there who do not aim to achieve even the bare minimum. They underachieve, and the overachievers like me, I'm just an overachiever. They don't deserve me. I don't even need to be there, to be honest. I'm just being like quite frank as ever. But I'm an overachiever. I grind. I like to accomplish things. I'm gonna get it done. I like to get shit done. I don't play those games. And you know, I see the holes, and I'm like, oh, it's time to fill them. Let's go to work. You know. That's kind of how I grind, and I'm just in the wrong industry, the wrong location. I'm in the wrong space as far as the day job goes. But I'm in a lovely space as far as the creative side goes as a creator, and I make more money as a creator than I do on... Yeah, I think I do. I make just about as much, if not more, doing what I do. But there's two sides to that, man. When you work in a structured environment, you know what I mean? You got the healthcare, and the taxes are already deducted and things like that. So that's something to keep in mind. When you want to get on this grind, you want to start making this money and stuff, realize, especially if you're going for full-time, self-employment taxes. Be prepared. Also, know about your deductions. Deduct all your business expenses that are deductible. And then, and this is not financial advice, disclaimer, gotta put that out there. I'm gonna always put that out there on the channel, but I'm gonna talk money and stuff. Medical. You gotta figure out medical. I gotta figure out how much medical will cost. Not just for me, there's other people I look out for. Gotta get the quota, you know what I mean? And yeah, like as far as saving for your retirement, you can do that on your own. It's not hard, you know what I mean? It's Roth IRAs, and you can open up your own account and stash money, find some type of interest yielding account or investments and things like that. Those are the things that you really need to think about when you're thinking about success in a way that, yo, this is where I want to go and I want to be all in. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm really headed to be all in, and that's what this channel is going to be. You guys are going to get the behind the scenes, the documentation. I'm going to open up to you guys. I'm going to be transparent, vulnerable, and realistic, and truthful and honest. And we're going to grind together. We're going to shine together. We ain't wasting no time together. And that's what it's all about, man. So I just want to sit down and vent, man. This is what this is going to be. It's going to be raw. It's not going to be all high production and all that stuff. Sometimes I might feel like doing it because, you know, that's what I do. Look, man, you see the hookup right there, man. So don't sleep. I get busy, and that's my high production vlogging camera right there, as you can see. And this is my grab and go raw. Let's keep it real. Let's not worry about this and that or edit anything. Let's just turn it on and be the truth, man. So doing it this way helps me to just do it and not have to worry about production while doing it. And that's the hard part. And that's where I put that energy on my tech channel, man. I do high quality 4K 10-bit, high production, high editing, long hours. I do that there. So I didn't want Hustle to Create to be another one of that on top of that, because I don't have the space for that yet. Mentally, physically, time-wise, and all of that. I'm maximizing right now. So this is how Hustle to Create is gonna be, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this talk, this chit-chat, and all that. And trust me, it'll get better, get a little more saucy with the production. I'll switch up the angles, do all that good stuff. But for now, I'm beat, I'm tired, and hopefully that's translating and you guys get it. Peace, nothing but love. Let's hustle to create and make that guap, baby. Let's get you that money, man. Alright.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans.